In front of me is ONEPLUS Open, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, hit the same tile. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and look for Location section over here. Then tap on this switcher next to Location Services to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!